on the 23rd of Tuesday, yesterday, for NCAA series. We have the set when Norfolk State got their first win of the season in the meet in the Coastal Athletic Association. The 3-set win. 25-21, 25-16, 25-20. It was untelevised match. Charleston Southern over South Carolina State. It's 3-1. Rutgers swept Columbia pretty handily, 25-8, 25-14, 25-16. That match. St. Peter's had a close win against Long Island University, but they do take the sweep. Austin Peay sweeps Tennessee State to get a much needed win for them. Queen sweeps Gardner-Webb. Temple had to go to 5 sets against Pennsylvania, but they do it. Iona defeats Holy Cross pretty handily, 25-15, 25-14, 25-18. Louisiana Tech swept Grambling in 3 sets. First set was 25-18, the second set was 26-24, third went 25-12. Bryant, after the first set, was close, 25-23, but they dominated, 25-11, 25-15. Then Memphis dominated pretty, even though the score wasn't close though. 25-16, 25-20, 25-16. Southeastern defeats Southern, 25-14, 25-20, 25-14. And then a sweep. Roberts swept against the Pine Bluff, but 25-18, 25-19, 25-16. Roberts wasn't really a threat there against the Bluff too much. And then UC Davis sweeps UC Riverside. UCS wasn't too much of a threat, except for at the second set. 25-19, 25-23, 25-3. But a little bit, later in that first was more separation. When UCS had them edge on UC Riverside. So, there you have it. And that's the scores. And then an update for the whip round is that there's going to be whip round with these televised matches. Some of these are not televised. Some of them like the Butler's Uranium have Flowits on them. Squib sits because Big East went to ESPN Plus. So for this season, they got rid of Flow. I wonder if the Coastal Athletic Association is going to do the same thing. They have like a streaming only deal. Maybe because they have this conference, they have the CBS Sports, or put them on you'll be able to do with ESPN as well. Maybe. And then so you have the Big 12 play starting, the American Conference play. We have SEC play, Big 10 play. We have SEC play already started, but we kind of starting the Big 10 games going on. SEC, Big 12. We have Big Sky Conference play going tonight. As always, we have Southland Conference. And we also have Ohio Valley Conference play between University of Tennessee at Martin and Southeast Missouri State. And we have a couple of non-conference matches. North Carolina Central and Eon out of the Coastal Athletic Association. And you have Freddie Dickinson out of the Northeast Conference taken at NJIT. And this does not show televised, but it could be on America East TV. If it's televised. On non-televised ESPN Plus matches are on America East TV. But it's mainly all the matches, like in volleyball, women's soccer, men's water polo, like maybe individual D1 tennis. It's not as much televised as team tennis, individual D1 tennis and like the individual tennis. for the divisions in like in the fall. You know, like the singles or like the team and the doubles. The team with the doubles and singles. Or like the individual tennis, like singles, doubles. You know, in like the fall. Not as televised, but you have like all that, and then you have like the cross country championships. You might see some cross country events televised, maybe on American TV, but maybe it's mainly like the cross country championships. Those will be for all the conferences on like ESPN Plus. In like the winter on ESPN Plus, not every volleyball match, men's, women's, soccer, right? Or like ESPN or the water polo matches. If they have American schools have men's water polo, men's water polo in the fall, women's water polo in the spring. We have if they do so. Then we have ESPN Plus in the fall. In the wintertime, you have every men's and women's basketball match from unless the school decides not to televise it, like early on, you might have some of them, or where they're at, but they'll have every match pretty much that they can, televise. That's televised, they will. They don't have, if American East schools, like gymnastics, they might televise every gymnastics meet, but it's not American East TV. Hockey, American East schools have hockey, but it's not affiliated through American East, so it's like a different conference, Hockey East, I believe, so they don't televise it, so it would be so they would go through that, and then you have, in like the fall and like winter time, and then you would have gymnastics, not televised. There's like the swimming and diving. There's swimming and diving meets. They might be on American East. They'd be on American East TV probably. Can't think of any other like wrestling. If American East is wrestling, some wrestling might not be on ESPN Plus, but it might be though. And then we have on what else? ESPN Plus. Then we have swimming diving championships. The indoor track and field meets, they might be televised in these American City. The American East Conference, the conference championships would be for indoor track and field. And in the spring, you have outdoor track and field. You have softball. You have baseball. You have men's and women's lacrosse. Like in the winter time, kind of winter towards like fall, spring. Start like winter, like January maybe. You have like men's volleyball that would be on American East TV. Some of that would, or like not until that by ESPN Plus. You have some softball, some baseball. It's not always picked up by ESPN Plus for every conference. The conferences. Unless it's like AC, SEC, they have everything. Like most of the conferences, there's a few games that aren't, are televised, so